Hello kids! Welcome to Reading by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Read and answer. Lily and the Little Cat. Lily sees a small cat. The cat looks very hungry. Lily gives some milk. The cat drinks quickly. Lily feels very happy. Let's read that again. Lily sees a small cat. The cat looks very hungry. Lily gives some milk. The cat drinks quickly. Lily feels very happy. Question 1. Who sees the cat? A. Lily. B. Tom. The correct answer is Lily. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 2. What animal does Lily see? A. Duck. B. Cat. The correct answer is cat. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 3. How is the cat? A. Small. B. Giant. The correct answer is small. Now please subscribe the channel. Question 4. What does Lily give? A. Milk. B. Juice. The correct answer is milk. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 5. The cat looks dash. A. Sleepy. B. Hungry. The correct answer is hungry. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 6. What does the cat do? A. Drinks. B. Flies. The correct answer is drinks. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Hey, superstar. Want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Question 7. How does Lily feel? A. Scared. B. Happy. The correct answer is happy. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 8. The cat drinks dash. A. Quickly. B. Slowly. The correct answer is quickly. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 9. Which is smaller? A. Cat. B. Elephant. The correct answer is cat. Good job, kids. Here's the next question.
Question 10.
Which feeling is opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Glad. The correct answer is sad. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 11. Which animal drinks milk in the story? A. Bird. B. Cat. The correct answer is cat. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 12. Which is not an animal? A. Milk. B. Cat. The correct answer is milk. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. Question 13. If you see a hungry animal, what can you do? A. Give food. B. Shout loudly. The correct answer is give food. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 14. If you help someone, how may you feel? A. Angry. B. Happy. The correct answer is happy. Good job, kids. Here's the next question. Question 15. What does the cat need when hungry? A. Toy. B. Food. The correct answer is food.
Great job, kids! You did an amazing job today. If you had fun, make sure to like this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!